How to log in PNC Bank Mortgage Account. Hey everybody, this side Nina from Kriya Login Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started. Open up a Chrome browser from your computer and at the top search bar, just type in www.pnc.com and click on enter. Once you do so, you will land onto its official website. Now to get logged into your account, click on Sign on your top right. Here you will see a pop-up. Under User ID, enter your user ID. Likewise so, enter your password under Password box. Once you do so, if you would like this site to remember your user ID, then check the box that says Remember User ID. In case you have forgotten your login ID or password, click on Forgot ID or Password to reset your account. Once you do so, go ahead and click on Login in this section. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.